finished the eyes. I'm gonna do the hair. Do you know, if you start to do art, your face, you have to do a bit hair, in your forehead. You see, it's coming down, okay? See? So I'm gonna draw it. It has to be like a triangle. I know this is not a triangle, but something's here, so it can be a real triangle like that. So this is what it should be, okay? This. Now I'm gonna do the mouth. Okay? Look, this thing has to go there, okay? Like this. Now I'm gonna do the nose. Think it's like this. Like that. You like it? Now I'm gonna do the cheeks. Some people think you have to draw the cheeks. You just have to do a round thing and color it, but it's not like that. You have to do 3 dots. So 2 dots at the top and 1 dot at the bottom. Let me show you how to do it. And when you finish the 3 dots, now you can circle it. Okay? It's like this. Okay, can you see it? 2 dots at the top, 1 dot at the bottom. And then you can circle it. I know you can't see the dot, but it's behind, okay? It's behind, you can't see. Now, I'm gonna do, I think that's it. We just have to color it now. Now, you have to guess 5 seconds what color I'm gonna get now. Okay? I'm just gonna take it off and put it there, okay? You can't see it. Okay? Okay. You have 5 seconds to guess what color I got. This is it's not even the, you got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The time is up. The color is yellow. I choose yellow because I don't have peach. Okay? So if you got it right, comment down below. If you didn't got it right, you can do a video and I have to guess, okay? Now I have to color it. This is not light enough. It's not even light enough. Just enough. Nice. Okay, I'm just gonna stop there. Okay. Now I'm gonna put it inside. Come on. No room. Now it fits. Okay. Now I'm gonna choose another color. And this color is for the nose, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna choose a color. Okay. I don't have a color for the nose, so I'm gonna leave the nose white for now. But I'm gonna choose you're gonna guess what color I'm gonna get and what type thing I'm gonna color, like the eyes, the mouth, or the cheeks. This is your challenge, okay? You have to guess what I'm gonna color and what color I'm gonna get, okay? I have to hide the color, so I'm gonna get it. And it's here. You can't see it. Okay? This time I'm gonna give you 10 seconds because you have 2 things to guess. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna tell you the answers. First, I'm gonna choose the color. The color is red. And what I'm gonna color is red is drumroll, the cheeks. If you got it right, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Okay, just gonna do it like that neatly. I'll show you when I'm finished. Okay. You like it? I know I didn't do the face all yellow because you can't see the yellow very much. So I just done a bit yellow. I know there's only 2 more I'm gonna color. You're gonna choose what I'm gonna color and you're gonna think what color I might get. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you what color I'm gonna get, but you have to choose what color I'm gonna get. I might get yellow. So that's the first color. And I might get orange, okay? I might get yellow or orange. You have to choose, okay? You have to just choose one because I can't color at the same time, okay? So, this is yellow and this is orange. You think this is peach because it's not light enough, but it's actually orange. So, you have 5 seconds to see what color I'm gonna get. I might have this one, okay? I might have both of them, okay? You can choose both of them, but I have to choose one, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna, you got 5 seconds to pick a color, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The color is, I'm gonna put it up. Okay? The color is, this is your challenge. It's yellow. It might be hard. If you got it right, comment down below. Okay. Now I'm gonna color the eyes yellow. Okay. See? I'm done. Now I have to color the mouth. Okay? This time I'm gonna choose 3 colors, and this time the answer is gonna be 2 colors. Okay? So the mouth might be pink. Okay? The mouth might be pink. Wait. It's like pink don't wanna get out. What are you doing? Pink, come on. Uh-oh. This is a cheeky little pink. It just don't want to get out. This pink is a very cheeky color. You hear me? I don't know why. Okay. Okay, I got it out. Okay, and I'm gonna choose yellow again and blue. Here, I'm gonna pick 2 colors to paint the mouth. Okay? One for the whole mouth. One for the whole mouth and one for the tongue. Okay? One for the whole mouth, one for the tongue. I can't color the teeth because all of the teeth are white. Okay? Okay. You have a very big challenge. So, if you get this right, if you get them right, comment down below, okay? Or if you get it really right, I'm gonna show something in my notebook. I'm not gonna do that, okay? Okay. If you got it right, comment down below, please. Okay, you have 10 seconds, okay? Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, I'm nearly at 1, 0. Okay, the 2 colors I'm gonna get is pink. If you got that right, comment down below. And the other color I'm gonna pick is, I'm gonna put it up. It's yellow. You think it was blue, but it was actually yellow. Okay? So, bye-bye blue. Say bye-bye blue. Bye-bye blue. See you next time. Okay, I'm gonna paint the tongue yellow. Okay? I hope you like my art because I'm not very good at art. This is my first time. Okay? I'm gonna color the whole mouth pink. You see? My whole mouth is pink. Okay? Okay. I'm nearly done. Okay, I'm done my art. I hope you like it because it's not very good. Okay? You like my art? If you like it, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. This is the end of my video. So, if you like this art lesson, try to do art in your house. Bye-bye, guys, and remember to subscribe to Bibica's awesome TV show. Yo.